Growing potatoes in buckets or bags is a space-saving and convenient way to cultivate this versatile and delicious vegetable, especially if you have limited outdoor space or poor soil quality. Here's how you can grow potatoes in buckets or bags. Select suitable containers. Choose large buckets or grow bags with the capacity of at least 5 gallons. The containers should have drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging and promote healthy root growth. Fabric grow bags are ideal, as they provide good aeration and drainage for the roots. Prepare potting mix. Fill the containers with the well-draining potting mix or a blend of compost, peat moss, and perlite. Avoid using garden soil, as it may become compacted in containers and hinder root growth. Mix in some balanced fertilizer or compost for added nutrients. Prepare seed potatoes. Start with certified disease-free seed potatoes, which you can purchase from garden centers or online suppliers. Cut the seed potatoes into pieces, making sure each piece has at least 1 or 2 eye sprouts. Allow the cut pieces to dry and form a protective layer for a day or 2 before planting. Planting potatoes. Fill the containers with a few inches of potting mix, then place the seed potato pieces on top, spacing them evenly apart. Cover the seed potatoes with another few inches of potting mix, leaving about 4–6 inches of space between the top of the soil and the rim of the container. Watering and care. Water the planted potatoes thoroughly. Ensure the soil is evenly moist, but not waterlogged. Keep the soil consistently moist throughout the growing season, especially during hot weather. Monitor the moisture level regularly and adjust watering as needed. Sunlight. Place the containers in a sunny location where the potatoes will receive at least 6–8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Potatoes prefer full sun, but can tolerate partial shade. Hilling. As the potato plants grow, they will produce new shoots and leaves above the soil level. When the plants reach a height of about 6 inches, mound. Additional potting. Mix around the base of the plants to cover the stems and encourage tuber development. Repeat hilling every few weeks as needed. Fertilizing. Potatoes are heavy feeders and benefit from regular fertilization throughout the growing season. Apply a balanced fertilizer or compost tea every 3–4 weeks to provide essential nutrients for healthy growth and tuber development. Pest and disease control. Monitor the potato plants regularly for signs of pests such as potato beetles or diseases such as late blight. Control pests and diseases promptly using organic methods such as hand picking, neem oil, or beneficial insects. Harvesting. Potatoes are typically ready for harvest 7–120 days after planting, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Harvest potatoes when the plants have yellowed and died back, indicating that the tubers are mature. Carefully dig up the potatoes from the containers.